If you want to cancel your Telegram subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Telegram app. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscription. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription option. This section will provide details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Once you are in the subscription section, find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Check your account settings again to ensure that the subscription status reflects the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Telegram subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Telegram support for assistance.